Don't give up. I know this sounds simple, but don't give up. If you go to bed with it and you wake up with it and you can't shake it, you go get a job and that dream is still in the back of your head. You're working for somebody else, but that dream is still in the back of your head. You're getting up every morning, 5 in the morning, going on somebody else's job. Let me tell you something. Honor that person that you're working for. Listen, because when you're faithful over someone else's, God will give you your own. So make sure you honor the person that you're working for.
Hi guys, and what I do, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Munyuka. If you're new, welcome. And if you're returning, thank you so much for trusting me with your data. So I decided to go apartment hunting, and I am in the beautiful estate, Munyaka estate, situated in Midrand Waterfall. So I'm going to take you along with me. Rilo wana gore batho ba ja di tšhelete ba nna kae ba behave yang le rona re be.